Hey guys, this is Anthony from Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today we want to take a few moments and talk to you about accent walls. Accent walls are something we've been doing a lot of in the last couple of years because they've really been coming back. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We always love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership, and new viewership often leads to new projects, whether they be large or small. So let's get into the video. We're heading back from Northeast Philadelphia, actually Elkins Park. And we're doing a project there. It is a side-by-side property. There are two townhouses side-by-side. But as I said, we have several accent walls there. We've been doing several accent walls. So we're just going to take a moment and show you some of the accent walls that we've done in this property and a couple others. Now, when we look for these accent walls, we just kind of Google them and see what's out there. Sometimes we might be scrolling along on the social media and we'll see it. You know, the algorithm gives you anything that you're looking for, you get it. So we do a lot of construction kind of stuff, so it just keeps pushing it in my face. And you know, if I see something, I'll screenshot it and take a look at it and say, hey, we're going to do that. And I've been pretty successful so far. In fact, the last project that we did, which was a kitchen in West Philly, my wife seen the accent wall and she says, we gotta have that. I wanna put that in our home. So now I got one more thing to put on the to-do list. It's cool. You know, often looking at things that other people are doing well just helps you to be better and get better. So, you know, we wanna talk a little bit about this specific project. And here we have several things going on. Again, there's 4 accent walls here. Number 1 accent wall is just this basic white accent wall. We chose a white here because we have some darker tones on the floors and we wanted to lighten it up. It's an interior unit. We wanted to lighten up the first floor a little bit more, so we used the white. Again, it's pretty basic, but we think it works. We've got our design inspiration from Google. Number 2, upstairs in this same unit, we used a color called iron ore. And iron ore is something that we often use. We really are a fan of the iron ore because a lot of people like it. It is a gray, brown, black kind of mixed tone. And a lot of our customers, they either like it or they've seen something that we've done. We've got several calls when people say, man, I seen that accent wall. I want that in my house. How much would it cost me to put that in my house? You know, sometimes, you know, when we're not busy, we can do those little small projects. So in unit number 2, we got a little more funky in unit 2. And we didn't just want to be funky, but we had to be. In unit number 2, we had some issues. Number 1, the wall was out of plumb and level. So we had to do some things that are kind of like misdirection kind of thing, just so you don't see the unevenness of the wall. So number 1, in the first floor, we use this angles. We just use some 90-degree angles, and we kind of blocked them off. Again, it's something that I mimicked from a Google inspiration, and it looks pretty good. The color itself is something that I kind of spent a little bit of time on, and I really hate spending time on anything. I like to wham, bam, thank you, man. That's what I pride myself on. When you have so many projects, you really got to get the stuff done quickly. But I narrowed it down. I got this green. I love this green. I don't even know the name of the green. I'll post it below because these things are important as well, so people know how to get, you know, the colors that you're promoting. All right, so let's go upstairs. The upstairs one is another green. It's not the same, may look the same, but we had the same issues. I thought I was just gonna do a basic vertical lines, okay? I started with the basic vertical lines, came back and looked at it, it didn't look right. What didn't look right about it is that the wall, again, was out of plumb and out of level. So what I decided to do is do some horizontal lines at the same time. So we started off with a few vertical lines and then fixed it up with some horizontal lines. So you can see, this one looks pretty good. You know, it looks pretty good. We kind of threw off the uneasiness, the unlevel, the not plumb walls, and we're really happy with it. You know, so again, This is Anthony from AE Talley Construction. We are just highlighting some accent walls, but if you're in need of a renovation, full renovation, partial renovation, whether it be new construction, ground up, whether it be a gut out renovation, or just your regular mom and pop kitchen, bath, basement, what have you. We're the contractors of choice. One of the things that helps people to know that AE Talley Construction is a quality and solid contractor is that we just have so much recurring business. People just come back over and over and over again. You know what I mean? We're like that good girlfriend or boyfriend that you just don't want to let go because they do you right all the time. They're nice to you. They're good to you. That's how we are as contractors. You know, so often, you know, we do a lot of work for some very prestigious people. We do a lot of work for Channel 6 people. You know, we got one of the newscasters. He gave us another newscaster. They gave us another newscaster. Another newscaster. They gave us one of the directors. And it's just like we just continue to go on. We don't, you know, we're not braggadocious about it. We just kind of get it done. So again, Anthony from AE Talley Construction signing out on the accent wall video. Give us a call, like, comment, subscribe. There's all kinds of other videos here. Check below some of the other stuff that we're doing. All right, guys, take care. Peace.